Hey guys, my name is Connor Dilly, and I am displaying or showcasing my Week 4 coding project. I'm going to keep this as brief as possible, just to show you that everything works, and I have comments on everything that can be checked in my GitHub, which this has been uploaded to. I kept this in the same format as our labs for this week, so you can see all the questions with comments up top, as well as there's this printouts, and then down here are all the methods, kind of like the way that we did it in our labs. So let's go ahead and run this here. As you can see, no issues in the console. These are all the results printed out. I'm just going to pick a couple of these just to make it under the time limit. So a couple of simple ones from the top. Create an array of ages and initialize them with the given values. So you can see here, we created an int ages with a list of various ages, and then we subtracted the first element from the last, so that'd be 3 from 93 here. To get the difference, you can see we named our int result of ages. Ages 0 here is the first in the index of our list. Ages.length minus 1 being the last, which is 93, which gives us our print out difference in ages of 90. Same thing in the second one. In ages 2, I copied the same list. We added 12 towards the end of that. So it is the same formula here, same results. First index, but the last index is now 12. When printed out, gives us a difference of 9. Uh, let's see here. Bigger ones here. We can go over to create an array of string called names, string names, variable name, here are the various names. Then calculate the average of the letters per name. So we used our loops here, for loop, to find the average letter or average number of letters per name. So we have our for loop of string name in names. Then our total letters set to 0 with the name.length being added back into it. So we add the length of each name, as you can see in my comment back. And then we take the total letter of names divided by the name.length to find and calculate out our average. Printed out here, it's about 28.75. Let's skip to a couple of the other ones here. So let's see, for example, method 8. Method to return full name. So when we call this method, create full name here with John, comma Doe, it'll print out to the console our John space Doe. And down here, here's our method 8, where we had our public static string named, create full name, with our string first name, string last name, where it will return right here the first name space last name. The concatenated first and last names here with the space. So let's print it out to the console. Let's do one more here. Let's go up to, where is it, 12. Create a method to decide if we are going to buy a drink. Will buy drink method. So when we print out, it'll say, will you buy a drink? This is the method that we are calling, will buy drink, determining if it's true or false within our parameters here. Going down, here's our public static boolean is going to be the type that we're trying to call. So we name it will buy drink. And we're doing the is hot outside or money in pocket variables for this. So what we will return is if it is hot outside and we have money in our pocket over a particular amount, we will return true if the conditions are in fact met, which they are. Yeah, otherwise, questions, comments, anything, just let me know. Otherwise, thank you for watching.